Hanggang sa mundo.
Very energetic. That reminds me of my younger years. I used to dance that.
Thank you very much. That was the LBC dancers.
Yeah, very energetic. And once again, we're going to call on Sir Arn on stage. We're going to award you our plaque of the plaque certificate.
Plaque of appreciation from Philippine Alliance Hong Kong is presented to LBC, Engineer Arnold Serena, Country Manager Hong Kong and Macau, as the sponsor for Kalayaan Bowl 2024 with the theme Taunang Gawad Parangal at Pagtitipon. The plaque acknowledges its contribution to the prestige and success of the occasion. Given on this 23rd of June 2024 during the celebration of Kalayaan Bowl at Starburst, Ching Sa Choi, Kowloon, Hong Kong, signed by the chairman, Mr. Dante Berrido, the president, Lailani Campos, and the MINMA chairman, Raul Blanco. May we call on the president to please award the plaque of LBC. All right, thank you so much, Sir Art. And before we award the Plaque of Loyalty Service Award, I would like to introduce our guest of honor for this afternoon. Our honored guest is a lawyer by profession and is currently handling the civil registry, legal, cultural, and economic sections of the Philippine Consulate in Hong Kong. Prior to joining the Hong Kong PCG team, he was previously handling political security and migrant worker matters at the Thank you. He took an active role during the COVID-19 pandemic repatriation efforts of the DFA by shepherding 70 chartered flights that brought home almost 19,000 of our distressed Filipino compatriots from all over the world. Prior to joining the DFA, his main practice was in international trade and investment law, particularly in the Philippine Board of Investment and in the Department of Trade and Industry. There, he served as a trade negotiator for the Philippines in the ASEAN Lead Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, became the lead resource person for the Senate and House of Representatives for Retail Trade, and was part of the DTI World Trade Organization legal team. Our honored guest took up his Juris Doctor degree at the Ateneo Law School and his undergraduate Bachelor of Science in Commerce at De La Salle University, Manila. He is a prolific writer, particularly having published 3 journal articles at the Ateneo Law Journal, among others. A very special welcome to our honored guest, Attorney Alan G. Revote, Vice Consul, Consulate General of the Philippines, Hong Kong. Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon po. Salamat po. Unang-una po, pinasasalamatan ko po ang Philippine Alliance, lalong-lalo na po kay Chairman Dante Delido, na today po, we hope that he gets well soon. And also kay President Leilani Campos. Maraming po salamat sa pag-imbita po sa amin. So, ang masasabi ko po ay ang Philippine Alliance ay isa pong importanteng partner po ng Philippine Consulate cultural section sa mga cultural events po. Lalong-lalo na po yung Filipino community-led event na yung ating Kapangyawan Friendship Festival. Ang Philippine Alliance po ay isa sa mga organization na malaki po talagang naitulong, lalong-lalo na po sa logistics, sa pagmamarshal po, at syempre po ang mga volunteers po nakitang-kita po natin sa buong program, yung mga very talented po na sumayaw, mga kumakita din po, yun po. So, kayo po ang isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit po successful po every year ang Kapangyawan Friendship Festival. Ito po ay isang showcase po talaga of what the Philippines has to offer and can offer. Na hindi na po tayo nandito sa Hong Kong para magtrabaho, tayo din po ay nandito para rin po ipakita at i-share ang ating kultura at maging ambassadors po for Filipino values and Filipino culture. Lalong-lalo na po yung value po natin and yung culture po natin na pagbabayanihan. Nakitang-kita po sa bawat Filipino community-led event. So, yun po, marami po salamat. I'm very honored po and I'm very happy to have Hong Kong as my first foreign service posting. At ano po, first kapangyawan ko rin po to as cultural section head po ng consulate. So marami pong salamat sa malaking tulong po na naibigay niyo po sa cultural section sa consulate at lalong-lalo na po sa buong Filipino community. Salamat po sa inyo. At syempre po, pinakahuli po at ang pinaka-importante, pasalamatan ko po si Consul General Jeremy Aguilar Usudan dahil po sa kanyang pag-support po sa endeavors po ng cultural section po ng konsulado at sa pagmamahal po niya sa buong Filipino community dito sa Hong Kong. Salamat po, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. I'd be going to please stay with us for a minute.
I would like to call Mr. Ricky Marquez to award the plaque of to our Vice Consul.
Plaque of appreciation is presented to Honorable Alan G. Revolte, Vice Consul Cultural Section, PCG Hong Kong, as our honored guest and award presenter of the Kalayaan Ball 2024 with the team Kaunang Gawad Kalangalan Pagtitipon. The plaque acknowledges Vice Consul his contribution to the prestige and success of the occasion. Given on this 23rd of June 2024 during the celebration of Kalayaan Ball at Starbucks G's Hatchoy, Hong Kong, signed by the Chairman Dante Verido, the President Lailani Campos, and the MINMA Chairman Raul Blanco.
A round of applause, please. Salamat, sir. But, sir, you are not yet off.
Sir, do you want to
request you to award the plaques for our Bagong Bayani. These are the individuals, these are the OFWs who have worked in a single employer, like Maui. Can you call on the names?
Worked for 10 years. First, we have Leia T. Almasan. If you heard your name, please come up on stage and receive your plaque. Next is Mirna Daga Nashon. Next is Cherry A. Magsumbol. And next is Eva Mapa. And Mary Ann Inovejas. And Mary Ann Biglaan. Okay, Mary Ann Biglaan. OFW Bayanica serving